Hi, quick cooking with Jud here, done in picture form because I was lazy and didn't want to do the video. I got two video cameras setting up right now, shooting that bloom outside. This is an oldie anyway. It's my taco burger with a couple of changes. You can go see it on YouTube under Jud 2001 Cooking with Jud playlist. Basically, you cook the burgers. I cooked too hot this time. My thing goes from 320 to 370. I don't have 350 on it, which is really stupid. And 320 seemed too low, 370 seemed too high. I went with 370, I should have gone with 320. But cook it 4 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other side. It's 1/3 of a pound I'm using. Then you prep the tortillas, 1 minute in the microwave for 2 tortillas, then a minute or 2 in the toaster oven. And you lay in the piece of Irish Swiss cheese. And then I put on a little bit of hummus, which just goes great with beef. Cook up the burgers, let them sit there for 2 minutes to settle in. Cut it in half, put 1/2 in each one, fold them up, eat them. Yum. Oh, and don't forget the potato chips. Wrap it up and eat. All this and the Patriots smashing the Steelers. Happy day to you.